Hey y'all, it's Ellie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another unboxing and we are unboxing the 180 degree box for January 2023. I am so excited to dive into this box. I just got the 180 degree subscription for Christmas, so I'm super excited to see what boxes we have coming in the upcoming months. I did already get the December box, but I got it and then got super sick, so I did not have time to film it. So I'm super excited to show you what I got in January. If you're unfamiliar with the 180 degree box, it is a monthly subscription that is a lifestyle box. You can get all types of products in here and it's curated so beautifully. This has been on my wish list for so long, so I'm so happy to have it. I think this box is around $59 a month. I will go ahead and put it up on the screen so you can get the full shebang of what it is. Let's go ahead and see what's in the box. First, I do want to say it always comes in a super cute packaging. I love that they send this in this plastic mailer so the box itself doesn't get scratched. And this one is so cute. I love the little flowers. It's very groovy. So I'm excited to see what's actually inside of this. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. Isn't this so cute? I am absolutely obsessed with it. I think it's so cute. I'm so excited to dive in. This is what it looks like. Ooh. This is what it looks like when you open the box. Let me grab that. So this is Happy New Year 2023 from 180 degree. You can't go back and change the beginning, but you can start where you are and change the ending. C.S. Lewis. Happy New Year from the 180 degree box family to yours. May your year be filled and filling. That's really cute. I love it. Then we have the little pamphlet that shows the things that are inside the box, as well as some descriptions about the companies that they come from. The theme for this month is breathe, which is good because let me tell you, I could use that. So pretty excited. It looks like we have 8 products plus a bonus item. So that's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and see what we have. Also says, ooh, there's a limited edition self-care box for Valentine's Day. It ships on February 6th and is the ideal self-care box for all the ladies in your life as well as yourself, and it's different from the monthly box. If you use the code 180MRKT, I'll put that up on the screen, you can get 10% off your purchase as well. So that's pretty cool. Oh, I'm so excited to see these products. So it has a little sticker on here that says, let's breathe. Let's all breathe a little bit more. First thing I'm seeing in here is the David's Premium Natural Toothpaste. This is the Whitening Anti-Plaque Fresh Breath in Peppermint. I really like this brand of toothpaste. Actually, I've used this for a really long time and it's actually pretty good. So I'm excited to have this. I usually don't buy it for myself, so always happy to have another one. And I'm seeing what looks to be a shampoo and conditioner set. So that's pretty cool. And this is from the brand Current. Packaging is so cute. I love this kind of metallic blue, so that's pretty cool. Let's learn about this a bit. So these are counted as 2 separate items, which I'm not thrilled about, but honestly I'm kind of okay because these are pretty big sizes. Let's see if there's Botanical Cplex formula. It's a blue hued shampoo containing a whole ocean of nourishing ingredients fusing seaweed, pearl powder, electrified sea salt water, and red marine algae to actively cleanse away dirt and oil. Okay, interesting. And then the Botanical Cplex in the conditioner has restorative ingredients to encourage healthy hair growth and reduce hair loss. Cool. Okay, so I'm pretty excited to see how these perform. Kind of want to see how they smell. Ooh, that smells really refreshing. I'm trying to put my finger on exactly what it is, and I don't know. It's kind of sweet. Kind of smells, this is kind of weird, but it kind of smells like the gummy shark candies. In a good way though. I like it. I'm interested to see how this works on my hair, so that'll be fun. Maybe I'll try it today. Cool. And then we have something from Way of Will. I actually really love this brand, and this is the Strengthening Nail and Cuticle Serum. Let's see what this smells like. Ooh, that smells really nice. Very refreshing, a little bit citrusy. I really like this. So you apply 1 to 2 drops on your nails and cuticles daily. So that's pretty cool. It has lavender, geranium, and ylang ylang. Next we have something in bubble wrap. Ooh, okay. We have something for Dirty Lamb, which I am super, super excited about. I got the cleansing oil in my last Kinder Beauty box. I think I'll put the video up above. I love it. It's so good and totally worth the hype. So I'm super excited to have another product from them. And this is the Mint Mocha Eye Serum. Mint Mocha. That sounds like it's gonna smell good. Ooh, and it's a roller ball. Okay. Oh my God. It smells exactly like a peppermint latte or a peppermint mocha. Oh man. Okay. Well, this is amazing. Even if I don't end up using it on my eyes, which I feel like would feel really good, I kind of just want to cover my whole body in it so that I can smell like this because it smells so good. Okay. Well, that's amazing. Then it looks like we have a food item, and this is the Cook Tavern Yankee Doodle Chicken Noodle Soup. That's such a cute name. I'm pretty excited about this. So it looks like you just add chicken broth, chicken breast, celery, water, and salt, and this little soup mix, and you have yourself a really nice soup. That's really exciting. I love getting food items because I am not always great at coming up with recipes and figuring out what to eat. So I love anything that kind of challenges me to try something new, and chicken noodle soup is a fan favorite in this household. So pretty excited for this. Then we have what looks like a book. Ooh, okay. And it's called Seeking Slow, and this is to reclaim moments of calm in your day. Ooh, this is right up my alley. Okay, so it looks like it's just a bunch of different aspects of your life. So it has learning to nurture ourselves, working smarter, valuing our time. Wow, okay. Challenges of our modern age. And some of them have really pretty pictures. Some of them are more just text. I am pretty excited to flip through this. That's pretty exciting. And it actually says on here that the MSRP is $18. So that's pretty cool. We have something from Spa Savvy, which is a brand that I've used a couple times. I think I found it at TJ Maxx or Marshall's or something. These are the Hydroflex moisturizing gloves and socks for dry, rough, and calloused hands and feet. Okay, so that's pretty interesting. Looks like you just apply your essential oil or lotion and wear for 30 minutes, which will help to lock in moisture. And these are actually reusable, so you can put them in the machine. You can put them in the washing machine on cold. So that's pretty exciting. I have not used anything quite like this before. I've used the actual disposable hand masks and feet masks, but I've never used ones that you can reuse. So that's pretty interesting. And then the last thing in here is our bonus item, and it comes in a super cute little red bag. So let's see what this is. Okay, this is from Fair Anita, ethically handcrafted in India. Okay, so that's pretty cool. And it looks like it says inhale, exhale, repeat. And it looks like it's just a little cuff bracelet. Cute. Okay, let's see if that actually fits my wrist. I have pretty tiny wrists, so I feel like this should be fine. And it is definitely adjustable. Cute. Okay, I really like that. So that's kind of what it looks like on here. Pretty. I really enjoy that, actually. Kind of want to leave it paired with my other one. I feel like that's kind of cute. Okay, so to recap, we got the Current shampoo and conditioner, the Dirty Lamb Mint Mocha Eye Serum, the David's Premium Natural Toothpaste, the Cook Tavern Chicken Noodle Soup, the Seeking Slow book, the Moisturizing Glove and Socks, and the Way of Will Cuticle Serum. Okay, that's pretty cool. Honestly, wasn't what I expected with the theme of breathe. I am not quite sure what I did expect, but I feel like this wasn't quite it. The Seeking Slow book is definitely pretty on target for me, and I feel like this bracelet is pretty spot on there. But I feel like things are not quite adding up for me. I feel like, you know, I like the products, don't get me wrong, but I don't really feel like toothpaste goes with breathe. I don't know. I'm really curious to hear your thoughts. I'm definitely pretty happy with this box, and I feel like the value is there. I am just not sure about this curation and if everything kind of fits together, but I am pretty impressed with the quality of the products, and there's a lot of stuff in here that I've never gotten to try, so that's always a win for me. I'd love to hear your thoughts, and again, if you're interested in subscribing to the 180 degree box, I will leave the link down below for you. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me. I really look forward to seeing you in my next video, and in the meantime, hope you have a killer day. Bye!